Enjesia no Ghana ha no de busia abeye hu special omomo Accra ne de sia no se ensuo mu na kakra bi na obia epebe bi ediniti afa efisa de ensuo eye yenua mo mote Accra montene so no enye easy na insurance abedi nkomo afa flooding a ekoso enu achi wa Accra no ene enra no flooding akoso asatna ensuo ni kura nya ntwenwe ye no insurance abeka so kase we Ghana fo ase Mahama onka no kre no kre ni wanum wano eye 2 omo abeka Sheikh Mahama ama nchire mu no akire wadwe e de amame e wo comment section hi PENYAH block media best one say any day mo obe like video no do am subscribe button some be click notification con latest update some be chire wadwe de amame e wo comment section obaso a no a for onye piafia no me kan phone nala money send app e de amount nala for season promo code PENYAH TV e for send ska ekofi twe app na to phone so register with or number or USA or UK register with number fiska to so correct bank account emano na send ska ekofi o send using promo code no PENYAH TV ever send ska ekofi na o becho eku $20 e na lankwa and this amazing package and offer to all their customers. Let's go to us. We say oba Ghana ha no mo ade ba ko a edi yenya pa e flooding, especially omo Accra ho no mo no. When it comes to flooding, and you know flooding one of what catastrophes. You got catastrophe just a natural disaster. Ade a say oduman kwa body ba ade no abodie na ne satira no ho e cause that as a problem. Ya abodie na no and a cause as a problem into earthquake a natural disaster. Flooding a natural disaster because it's so heavily a tobro so rivers na ade it me e yiri and it overflow its banks. That's it. When it overflow its banks and let's attest to krom a flooding. Gutters ebetima ye no matter how big the gutter is. Enso betima tokese ama gutter betima ye mama ebebu afa so. The gutter isn't choked, but enso be ye mama pressing ade ba ntino ebebu afa so. It can cause flooding. Is it flooding there? Yeah, cause it is part of catastrophes. Just say natural disasters. And 2 years will be even America crown New York. Recently is what time a year for New York Mountains man car crane to me track wemunko. Entinya Ghana nkwa de enya Ghana nkwa wa se enya Ghana ko ba Ghana so se ka ho bi enso to Accra no mo akare se ye bom pai edema mu I say from time there e free enkroma pen so edi besi ne Accra flooding enya de kuma enso to bia enso gugu kese bia de Accra eyiri ma se ni wura dem mo se samanfo ne ma ko se ne ma whole lot of issue am I say you recording your biggest flooding in 2015 June 3rd, 2015, and Ghana recorded your biggest flooding in Accra circle, Kwame Nkrumah circle. And so talk a CB and a Kobufa filling station being a cop pie tank and fuel tank free from. And the fuel and so now a flood no fuel no fast at the cat fire until so ni jano nessa de bassa. Petrol no good flood and so any jar told me that they pia bassa and ten that day in there. You don't tell you there. She Ghana Accra mountain so no. Na enye feder. When you know this flooding no. Na kufa echa kunya so no. ABC ye. Flooding happen here but na enye more because kufa echa kunya so no. Na ensuo no eto a na ento gidigidi buga de bi na eto gentle na ebetim kura di be 2-3 months na ensuo ntoy na eye gentle. Eti Accra flooding na kufa de amemu de na say header ANC because na ensuo no ento. I ma beka kra Mahama kra beka se Kufuado etekuna na mamu boni ntino na ensuo nkura anto
MPP amambo nti afimpo ensuo anto yie MPP amambo nti afimpo ensuo anto yie.
Yes, because the Kufuado is na ensuo na eto gentle na ento buga emesese niema kese na ento buga eto gentle but na eya dey flooding go Accra dey ensuo to a flooding bekoso. It's not crowd, not flooding. It happened on no more. Emma 2024, there was a flooding in May 2024. Emma that flooding happened kwano. Schoolboy be efemu ewuye. That flooding no. Mahama make post e Facebook. Eno chire mu say on 27th May, and Mahama make post 2024 chire mu say the recent heavy downpours in Accra and other parts of the country have led to extensive destruction of property and according to reports the loss of a life of a young schoolboy. Say me chire say school ni bi ewuye na no. And as I told you say this has exposed the government's failure to manage and prevent floods effectively and evokes deep concern about its lack of a comprehensive flood prevention management plan. Many areas that in the past were unaffected by flooding today become inundated with the least rainfall. And I bet them say, "Ensuo na atọ na nsen na eyiri afa Accra no, akyere ha Akufo-Addo na mamuo MPP no, omu sebe omu eni nhyehyeye bia ni plan bia ma oman no se yede be soso ensuyiri ano, yede be prevent nsuyiri se yede be so ano no. I suppose ya ba me won say omu ni nhyehyeye bia o, just omu ni dayesu bia o mani so a omu di gu akwam a eno be si ensuyiri ano ewo Ghana mea ni bi. Mahama and making this as a post. And at that time there, and this one the boy for the chia 2004 krone mono. And go for the PM ewo Canada. Committee Ghana for na omo hono said and say Mahama committee bi en sa. And go for committee Ghana in the diaspora in Canada. Eno mo kwadwetwe in common na hono. And obi busa question bi about flooding. Say na go for the flooding. Oba ye no amembo do ensuri na head and but enso to Accra no yiri kakra etinana eden na wo ya fa ho and go for the car say the flooding issue in Accra ne de ono no believe say a act of indiscipline.
We're talking about these infrastructural matters. We must also talk about our own habits. That's right. We have to talk about our attitudes. We have a situation in our country, time and again, Ghanaians, we want this, we want that. But the attitudinal change that would enable us to be able to to bring value to these demands, that is always left out, up till today. Whilst as the Oton River is being dredged, there are still people at home who, when the rains come, think that the easiest way to deal with dirt in their houses is to throw it out into the gutters. Those things have to come to a stop. We all have to speak to each other in Ghana to bring those things to a stop. Because if we don't, no matter the investment that we make, at the end of the day, we'll be back to square one. And I'm not prepared to spend your money in that way again.
What I say? A act of indiscipline. And also actually say, enso ye say to abenzo be akotam the ball no be hwe gu gatemu. Thinking say enso no be tweako. Esi ba bia. Ne ball a wachi kire aboabo no wo fienso wakotam politics ni nyina no de ato gatanu mu. Believing say enso no be piako. Eti we nyina enso ni pian nyina be say akochoki wo bridge biase na ntimi nko. Na fi a form blockage. Enso ni puba be say ebu afa so. Na no anu atiati si okuru ni mu. Akufo-Addo can say that time ye di na time ye di Akufo-Addo attempt ke kan ya kire no this government making so many posts blasting Akufo-Addo say wa fail etina fi no be blame Ghana for no. He shouldn't blame us. Monka say Ghana for no out of indiscipline. Any indiscipline be government failure. Mahama played politics with flooding. Abra no wonimu say June 3rd 2015 na ye odo na tia kunwa so ensuyire yiri Accra shi nipa webrebe sense Japade ebinsi Ghana hada Nepens went man so ano. He had no roadmap to curbing the issue of flooding, but or the flooding play politics in 2024 elections. Mahama played politics with flooding, knowing said flooding a catastrophe a torrential nature and edeba a betima to be forgetting their wotie America crowd flooding happen when in Ghana. But Mahama played politics, blaming the Akufo-Addo government, say, "Obu na failure." Eti yam tuma wo mu ba. Bibia be ye. To one say no. Memu Mahama so ekopiem ewo UK. Emma also ne Ghana fo mu hono ekodi nkomo. Na won ebusa no bibi about flooding. Ene mo wetima either prevent flooding. Na hono ana Mahama can say the issue of flooding no. Or no believe say enye engineering problem. Na a act of indiscipline.
The flooding in Accra is not an engineering problem. It is just a problem of indiscipline. It's not an engineering problem, it's a problem of indiscipline. We have drains, and everybody says, why don't you do sealed drains? But the problem is when we do sealed drains, we have drains, and everybody says, why don't you do sealed drains? But the problem is when we do sealed drains, we have drains, and everybody says, why don't you do sealed drains? But the problem is when we do sealed drains, we have drains, and everybody says, why don't you do sealed drains? But the problem is when we do sealed drains, People drink sachet water, they eat papaya in those styrofoam plastics, and they just dump them anywhere. And these plastics wash into the drain, and they go and block the drain. And so if you have to unclog the drain, you have to remove all the drain covers and clean it out. You clean it out, you cover it again. In the next 3, 4, 5 months, they have clogged again. But that is not even the major problem. The major problem is the location of Accra. You have the Kwapim mountain range, and you have the Atlantic Ocean. Before people came to Accra, you had the Lafa stream, you had the Densu, you had the Sakumo stream, you had the Kole stream, you had the Odo stream. All of them were rainwater that falls in the mountains that flow through to the Atlantic Ocean. Then you come and build a city in the path of those streams. What do you expect the streams to do? And even if you build, leave the causeways. If you come to London, you see the canals in the city. If you go and build a house in that canal, where will the water go? It will go back into people's houses. Unfortunately, Nanan Misremu, our traditional rulers are selling plots in streams. It's not this Nananuma I'm talking about. We have places they call Ramsar sites. These Ramsar sites are wetlands. And they said that migratory birds come from Europe during the winter. They come and spend vacation with us in Africa. Then when they finish the vacation and it's summer, they fly back. And they started to protect the Ramsar sites because of the migratory birds. But let me tell you what the Ramsar sites do. They are wetlands. So when they receive the water from the Kwapim mountain range, the Ramsar sites are huge wetlands. So they absorb the water into the wetlands and discharge the water gradually into the ocean. So if you build and you fill and build, you fill and build, you fill and build, you are reducing the size of the Ramsar site, of the wetland. And so when the water comes, what is left cannot contain the water. And so it will overflow and flood people's houses. I've seen from the air, helicopter, a stream coming from the Kwapim range. And then it reaches somewhere and they've built across it. And so the stream has nowhere to continue. So it will flood your houses and flood houses of people behind. Now when government takes action and begins breaking people's houses out of the waterway, the same people will say, hey, that's our problem.
Nasa and some na go for the count 2024 now. And this is 4 years o man tiasia mano almost set a go for up. Emma Ghana for dinner terms were fairly on canantum man in Blemu Ghana for no ye no. Dance some corner na Mahama Echo can UK, but Mahama can no. Ghana for the car say Mahama no kran wakano. A act of indiscipline. In so to got to ball lagoon swonimu, act of indiscipline. A good for can ye dinatem. Mahama can ye. Yes, Mahama wakano kre. Waya jankwa. Anata was an routine so to Accra mountain so. Accra ni ne yuri.
Tia higher self-free Zion honum. Zion self-free trade fair. Bogas. We do Zenith, now we do Zion. We cross a bridge now. States in India. Say na higher. Rera ubia dem. Akata kataka so. Kata papa ne car ne so. Rera ubia dem. Mumbe rescue ye. Timikotra Otabel ho site. ICGC Christ Temple ho. E ho na sesi amiko tra no. Ho na sesi amitra no. E rapa papa ne car na mem.
mean roofing level.
Roofing level.
Okay,
Obi nso na gina ho no ontumi mba sene aye no.
Obi so gina dan so.
We nso ogina dan ne so na aye man. Twani say ya. Akata dan ne so ni na ICGC Greater Works Christ Temple na ewo ho Bush Road. One ni na akata ho eniye ezumi amamo. Nsu aye ho ni na ma. ICGC Christ Temple, Mumbra Sesia, Bush Road, Mumbra Sesia, Chado Bush Road, behind Christ Temple, ICGC, Hanina Yema, yeah, that's it.
The Bamcha Rescue Team, Kumchacha area, behind Malam Station, behind Malcolm. Please, we need a rescue team. Please, we need an assistance. So people are dying in their room. The whole place is flooded with water. We are begging for an assistance. National Service, Fire Service, please, Kumchacha area, behind the Malam Station, Malcolm. That road, the whole place is flooded. The whole place is flooded. People's houses have been occupied by the rainwater, and it has entered their rooms. People are dying, children are dying. Please come and rescue, okay? Pregnant women are in the room. We are begging. We've climbed to a rooftop. Please, we need rescue team. We are begging. We are begging. A lot of children are here. We've rescued a lot of children. We are begging. We are begging.
So this is live update. This is our wall that is broken all the way. This is our neighbor's house, completely submerged. This is the streets at the back, also completely submerged. So you can imagine our compound.
Taifa Junction nipa kaka nim se besre wonim pani bi abetimi afre na abetimi atage na ye besre na wafre na o ma beboa yen. Ensuring to go so top papa ensuring to your cry ensuring go so top ensuring go so top. Higher Taifa Junction, your friend fire service for your friend Nadmo for a camera so my number na you busy.
Being careful too. Thank you for looking up for me. I believe someone can even open a provision shop after siphoning all these things. Cause see, they keep coming. I mean, look, just look at the far end. just look at the far end. So I learned it's a warehouse. Yeah, it's a warehouse, and then they supply these things. These things you are seeing here: chewing gums, toiletries. I mean, gas cylinders. See, there's another gas cylinder coming through. These guys are literally risking their lives. If you just join us, please follow.
Mahama, His Excellency the President, Deputy Chief of Staff Standagwe, or some security personnel, be any Minister for Housing, or as a housing and project, almost at the helicopter Accra Mountain. So, the aftermath of the flooding, there was so disheartening. ana abɛyɛ arahosɛm na Mahama ebesi from no ɛna ɔsa kasaeɛ.
We just finished an aerial tour of Accra to inspect the flooded areas. Unfortunately, the flooding has been very extensive today for several reasons. One, the recorded rainfall today is one of the highest in several years. The Meteo are looking at approximately 140 millimeters that was dumped on Accra. Last year, the maximum rainfall was 56 on a single day. And so the volumes are much higher. And so there are many issues to the flooding in Accra. There's climate. If you look at the rainfall pattern from 2024, 2025, 2026, you see that increasingly every year we're getting more rain in Accra than we used to get. GMET say that in 2024, for a period of 30 days in June, we had 85 millimeters of rain. And then in 2025, it increased to 172. And then in 2026, for the same 30-day period in June, it increased to 333. And so the waterways are not getting a chance to recover before more rain is dumped. And the wet days are more. Out of 30 days, 22 days, it kept raining. And so there were only 7 dry days or 8 dry days in June. And so that's the climate side. That is an act of God that we can't control. But then there's also the engineering and the man-made causes. That is, like I said before, Accra is built between 2 natural bodies, the Kwapim Mountain Range and the Atlantic Ocean. And before Accra was built, the streams used to flow through this plain to reach the sea. Now, the British brought the capital to Accra, and in those years it was not a problem because Accra was a very small city. But as the population continues to increase and people continue to build, it restricts the path of the streams on their way to the Atlantic. So that's an engineering problem. We need to see how to open the channel so that the water can pass. But then there's also the other aspect, which is attitudinal and human behavior. That is dumping garbage in the drains, putting all kinds of items in the drains after we finish creating waste instead of sending it to the appropriate place. Even in the air, we discovered many illicit dumping sites where the wetlands are. People have gone to create a waste dumping ground, and they charge 20 cedis for the aboboya to come and fill the waste into the wetlands. And when it has filled sufficiently, they sell the land to people to come and build on it. And so we need to, one, look at it from an engineering perspective in terms of how we can open up the channels, but at the same time, look at how we can identify all the buildings that are obstructing the waterways. We've said this many times. I'm tired of hearing it. But anytime you begin to take action and you start breaking houses, people think that government is inhumane. But when the problem arises like this flood, it affects everybody. And so all of us have been affected because of the conduct of a few people blocking the channels and preventing the water from passing. And so we'll call a National Security Council meeting. We're asking every district to identify, together with the Works and Housing Ministry, where the blockages in the channels are as they pass through the district assemblies, so that we can earmark those places for removal. We'll not only break the houses, we have to move the rubble out of the way, because there's no use breaking a house and leaving the rubble in the waterway. It's just the same as leaving the house. And so it's going to be quite a major issue in order to resolve the problem of Accra. But ultimately, the other solution will be to decongest Accra. And that's why we're planning that we move some of the city out, that is the major government departments, and then also create a new center of growth so that our people will start building outside Accra in a new city, instead of everybody looking for some space in Accra to build. So, but that's a long-term solution. Like I said, it's a 20-year project. They are still working on the designs. Once they do that, we'll demarcate. People can start buying plots. If they like, they can start building houses. We'll do the roads, bring the water and electricity so that it eases the pressure on Accra as a city. But I just want to express my sympathy with people who have lost property. Loss of property has been very extensive, and I want to thank the military, NADMO, the police, and the Hydro Works and Housing Ministry, and all the emergency response team, 48th Engineers Regiment, for the rescue that they did. I've seen many of the videos where people had to be carried out of their houses. They deployed their boats, and they helped to save quite a lot of lives. NADMO will do what it can to try and identify the victims and see how we can just support them in a way in the next few days. I've asked the Minister of Finance to release some money from the contingency fund so that we can do some post-flood relief for persons who have been affected. And so let me again express my sympathy, but let us change our attitude and let us find a permanent solution to this Accra flooding problem. We shouldn't become like the vulture who, anytime it is raining, he says as soon as it stops raining, you repair his roof. And then as soon as it stops raining, he says, oh, it has stopped raining, so there's no need to repair the roof. This time should be different.
Now, interestingly, Mahama na June Memu, Obeka say the issue of flooding, no, enye engineering problem. Na a act of indiscipline, no. Now, what I can say, I will tell you, say causes of this flooding, no, engineering problem. Eka humbi, a engineering problem. I say that's may na his excellence Eka say, no. What due diligence did he do before traveling to UK and telling them, say, the flooding in Accra, no, a engineering problem. But now they will say an engineering problem. Say. Because making that statement, just a month in say. And you know, and it's so interesting. Next, we tell Mahama or your double standard, or your working contradiction man, or kaha, a china, or kaha. Now, the problem name concern is say, someone to solve the flooding issue in Accra now. Movie capital city in free honor. Ain't me mu ye ni mu asesa. Accra and to me Ghana anymore because of flooding. So if you know you can't solve this flooding issue in Accra now, then move the capital city from that place. And ya Hong Kong ye say your floor capital city. Because now first, na ewo baby, na capital town, capital city ewo baby, any a day ba Accra. E je betime move here from Accra na ye uko sirem asase da ho kakra. Ensu yiri bia ni sirem ho no mo. There's no flooding in the northern region. There's no flooding. Asase the Hoyan Tam, a cinema assassin, a so sin a cry, Nickmas, ya can in album, a so cinema. Is a once a cry, a man, assassin the syrup kakraka. Ya movie capital city in Coho, near called Brody Honor, Hobby effect. Nina Smudge, then a crana, I yampe, the years being fine ye. Because I crown quantity in Ghana and Nimu Assessor. Chirawagi Mammy, comment section. Hyping a block media, Accra.